to schedule tasks in Netflix. Scheduling tasks on Netflix depends on whether you are an end user looking to manage your viewing or a developer using Netflix open source infrastructure tools. So basically, for general user or viewing, Netflix does not have a built-in calendar schedule but can manage your viewing with this feature. That means set reminders. So on your mobile phone, you could find a remind me button on the for the release title. Once the title is available, Netflix will send you a notification and automatically add it to your My List section. Now, while watching a show on Android device, you could tap on a timer icon in the corner of the to select 15, 30, or 45 or the end of the episode to stop playback automatically as well. And likewise, to ensure the episode play back to back without manual intervention, you could enable autoplay next episode in your profile playback settings. And as for the developer or infrastructure, if you're referring to task schedule within the Netflix technological ecosystem, you'll likely mean Netflix Conductor or Fenzo. You can schedule tasks by defining workflow in JSONs or through the Conductor UI. And next, you could also go ahead and use a Fenzo, a Java library for scheduling tasks as well. So this actually does not have a feature for a general user. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.